Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or garden aficionado, the Ryobi primer bulb replacement. If you're looking for a reliable fix for your outdoor power tools, this might just be the best option out there. Stick around as we unpack everything you need to know about this essential part. Let's start with the basics. The Ryobi primer bulb, model number 561635001, is designed to replace worn-out or damaged primer bulbs in various Ryobi and Homelite models. It's a genuine OEM part, ensuring compatibility and performance that you can trust. Now, why should you consider this primer bulb? First off, it's known for its ease of installation. No need for complex tools or expertise. Just a few simple steps and you're good to go. It's designed for durability, crafted to withstand the rigors of outdoor use, whether you're tackling your lawn or garden. Value for money is another standout feature. Priced competitively. It not only saves you time with its easy installation but also saves you money in the long run by extending the life of your equipment. This primer bulb fits a wide range of models including RY30120, RY30130, RY30140, and many more. Whether you have a string trimmer, leaf blower, or chainsaw from Ryobi or Homelite, chances are this will fit perfectly. Users have praised its reliability, especially during cold starts where a good primer bulb makes all the difference. It ensures a quick fuel flow, getting your equipment up and running efficiently. Now, there are other options out there. But the Ryobi primer bulb stands out for its OEM quality and the peace of mind that comes with using a genuine part. Some alternatives may be cheaper, but they often compromise on quality and longevity. To wrap it up, if you're in need of a reliable replacement for your Ryobi or Homelite equipment, look no further than the Ryobi primer bulb 561635001. It's easy to install, built to last, and backed by positive user feedback. We highly recommend it for anyone looking to maintain their outdoor power tools without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tips on all things DIY and gardening. Until next time, stay tuned and stay handy.